In the animal kingdom, few confrontations are as thrilling as the clash between a green pit viper and a giant centipede. Both are renowned predators, each equipped with potent venom and remarkable hunting skills. The green pit viper relies on stealth and precision, striking swiftly to subdue its prey. Meanwhile, the giant centipede is a relentless hunter, using its speed and powerful jaws to overpower even formidable opponents. When these two deadly creatures meet, the outcome is far from certain. Which of these notorious killers will emerge victorious in this life or death battle? The green pit viper is renowned for its remarkable biological traits. Its skin, often a vibrant shade of green, allows it to blend seamlessly into the dense foliage of the forest, making it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. This exceptional camouflage is a key factor in its hunting strategy, enabling the snake to ambush unsuspecting animals. In addition to its stealth, the green pit viper possesses potent venom capable of immobilizing and killing its prey within moments. The combination of expert concealment and deadly venom has earned this species a reputation as a formidable predator. For these reasons, the green pit viper is often regarded as a true assassin of the jungle. The giant centipede is a formidable predatory insect, known for its sharp mandibles and astonishing attack speed. Its elongated, segmented body allows it to move swiftly and navigate through various terrains with ease. Equipped with venomous fangs, the centipede can immobilize prey in seconds, making it a highly efficient hunter. Its strategy often involves stealth and rapid strikes, targeting vulnerable spots on its victims. The combination of agility, powerful jaws, and venom gives the giant centipede a significant advantage over other insects and small animals. This remarkable predator demonstrates how specialized adaptations can lead to dominance in its ecological niche. The green pit viper and the giant centipede inhabit distinctly different environments and exhibit unique hunting behaviors. Green pit vipers are typically found in dense forests or shrublands, where they rely on camouflage and patience, often waiting motionless for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance. In contrast, giant centipedes prefer humid, sheltered locations such as under rocks or within decaying logs and are active hunters, using speed and agility to chase down their prey. When approaching their targets, the viper uses a sudden, precise strike to inject venom, immobilizing its victim almost instantly. The centipede, on the other hand, subdues prey by grasping it with its powerful legs and injecting venom through its fangs during a prolonged struggle. These differences highlight the viper's reliance on ambush and stealth, while the centipede favors direct pursuit and physical dominance. The green pit viper and the giant centipede each possess unique biological weapons that aid in their survival. The green pit viper relies on its venom, which contains a complex mixture of toxins capable of immobilizing prey and deterring predators. This venom acts quickly, disrupting the victim's nervous system and blood clotting mechanisms. In contrast, the giant centipede combines potent venom with remarkable physical strength. Its venom can cause intense pain and paralysis, while its powerful jaws and muscular body allow it to overpower prey much larger than itself. When comparing these two, the centipede's combination of chemical and physical force gives it an edge in versatility and raw power, while the viper's venom is highly specialized for rapid immobilization. Ultimately, the superiority depends on the context of the encounter, but the centipede's dual approach offers a distinct advantage in many situations. As the green pit viper glides silently through its territory, it suddenly senses an intruder. Emerging from the undergrowth, a giant centipede appears, its armored body glistening in the dim light. The viper freezes, its tongue flickering to taste the air, instantly aware of the threat before it. Both predators lock eyes, each recognizing the other as a formidable opponent. The atmosphere grows tense, with neither willing to back down. Instincts sharpen, and the forest seems to hold its breath, anticipating the confrontation that is about to unfold. The giant centipede senses danger as the green viper approaches. Instinctively, it raises its powerful jaws, displaying a formidable set of fangs, ready for defense. Its body shifts with remarkable agility, each segment moving in coordination to prepare for the impending confrontation. The centipede's antennae twitch, scanning the environment for any sudden movements. Tension fills the air as the centipede positions itself strategically, determined to stand its ground against the snake's threat. Every motion signals its readiness for battle, showcasing the centipede's resilience and adaptability in the face of danger. The viper employs a calculated approach when hunting its prey. It moves slowly and deliberately, blending seamlessly into its surroundings thanks to its natural camouflage. This stealth allows the snake to remain undetected as it patiently waits for the perfect moment to strike. When an unsuspecting victim comes within range, the viper launches a sudden and powerful attack. Its bite is swift and precise, delivering venom that can incapacitate its prey almost instantly. This combination of patience, disguise, and explosive action makes the viper a formidable predator. The giant centipede employs a combination of speed, strength, and venom in its defensive and counter-attacking strategies against the pit viper. When threatened, it moves swiftly to evade the snake's strikes, using its many legs to maneuver with agility across the terrain. Its powerful jaws allow it to deliver forceful bites, injecting potent venom that can incapacitate or deter its opponent. The centipede's tough exoskeleton provides additional protection, making it difficult for the snake to inflict serious harm. By exploiting its rapid movements and toxic bite, the centipede can turn the tables on the viper, transforming from prey into a formidable adversary. The confrontation begins as the green viper lunges forward, striking with impressive speed. The giant centipede swiftly evades the attack, retaliating with its sharp, powerful jaws. Both creatures display remarkable agility and determination, refusing to yield. Their movements are calculated and relentless, each seeking an advantage over the other. The battle intensifies, revealing the fierce survival instincts that drive them. Neither the snake nor the centipede shows any sign of backing down. The battle between the two species unfolds with remarkable intensity. The pit viper strikes with swift, venomous bites, aiming to immobilize its opponent. In response, the giant centipede uses its powerful mandibles and venomous claws to defend itself, delivering painful counter-attacks. Both creatures rely on their unique adaptations, with the snake's agility and the centipede's armored segments playing crucial roles. As the fight progresses, injuries accumulate on both sides, yet neither the snake nor the centipede shows any sign of retreat. The tension escalates, highlighting their determination and resilience in this dramatic confrontation. In a sudden burst of movement, the green pit viper lunges forward, sinking its venomous fangs deep into the massive centipede's body. The snake's potent venom is injected in an instant, designed to immobilize and subdue its prey. The centipede recoils, its armored segments writhing in response to the attack. Yet, the outcome remains uncertain. Centipedes are known for their resilience and their own toxic defenses, making them formidable opponents. Will the snake's venom prove powerful enough to overcome the centipede's strength? Or will the centipede withstand the assault and fight back? The tension hangs in the air as the battle unfolds, each creature relying on its unique adaptations for survival. The giant centipede launches a fierce counter-attack, sinking its powerful jaws into the green viper and injecting venom. The battle escalates rapidly, with both creatures now locked in a deadly struggle. Each move becomes more intense as the centipede fights back with surprising aggression. The atmosphere is tense, filled with danger as the venom begins to take effect. Neither side is willing to back down, making the outcome increasingly unpredictable. The confrontation reaches a critical point, highlighting the raw power and survival instincts of these formidable predators. When venom is introduced into the body of a giant centipede, it quickly disrupts vital physiological functions. The centipede experiences intense pain, muscle spasms, and eventual paralysis as the venom interferes with its nervous system. Conversely, the toxin produced by the centipede has a potent effect on the green pit viper. Upon exposure, the snake suffers from severe tissue damage, impaired movement, and reduced ability to defend itself. Both creatures endure significant harm with their respective toxins causing rapid deterioration in health and function. This mutual vulnerability highlights the dangerous nature of their biochemical weapons and the high stakes of their encounters. The confrontation between the two assassins is intense and relentless. Each move is calculated, with neither willing to yield an inch. Their survival now depends solely on raw strength and unwavering endurance. Every strike and counter-strike reveals the limits of their physical and mental resilience. The battle becomes a test of willpower, as exhaustion threatens to overcome them both. In this crucial moment, only the most persistent and powerful will prevail. In this decisive moment, the Green Pit Viper appears to be at a disadvantage against the formidable strength and speed of the giant centipede. The centipede's rapid movements and powerful jaws give it the upper hand, leaving the snake struggling to keep up. Yet nature often surprises us, and the viper may still possess hidden tactics or resilience. The outcome hangs in the balance, as both predators test the limits of their abilities. Will the snake manage to turn the tables, or will the centipede maintain its dominance? The tension rises as the battle unfolds, with each move potentially shifting the fate of these two remarkable creatures. The giant centipede seizes the moment, launching its final attack against the pit viper. Tension reaches its peak as the fate of both creatures hangs in the balance. Every movement is crucial, with neither willing to back down. The outcome of this fierce battle remains uncertain, as both adversaries summon their remaining strength. In the wild, survival often depends on split-second decisions and relentless determination. The dramatic confrontation between predator and prey showcases nature's unforgiving reality. The outcome of the battle reveals not only who emerged victorious, but also the deeper reasons behind this result. Careful analysis shows that success was determined by a combination of strength, strategic thinking, and adaptability. The winner demonstrated superior tactics, making effective use of available resources and responding quickly to changing circumstances. This highlights the importance of preparation and the ability to anticipate an opponent's moves. The lessons learned emphasize that raw power alone is rarely enough. Survival often depends on intelligence, resilience, and the capacity to learn from each encounter. Ultimately, the true victor is the one who can balance force with strategy and adapt to the challenges of the battlefield. Reflecting on the confrontation, several remarkable traits emerge from both the pit viper and the giant centipede. The pit viper demonstrates impressive adaptability, adjusting its tactics in response to the centipede's unpredictable movements. Its ruthless efficiency is evident in the way it strikes with precision, aiming to subdue its opponent quickly. Meanwhile, the giant centipede showcases its own intelligence, using its agility and armored segments to evade attacks and exploit openings. Both creatures reveal a relentless drive for survival, relying on instinct and cunning to gain the upper hand. Their encounter highlights the extraordinary resilience and strategic thinking that define these formidable predators. In the natural world, absolute strength does not guarantee survival. Instead, true predators are those who skillfully leverage their unique advantages, whether it is speed, camouflage, venom, or intelligence. Each species finds its own way to thrive. This perspective challenges our assumptions about what it means to be powerful. So, who is the real killer in nature? The answer may lie not in brute force but in the art of adaptation and strategy.